Question 20, Part A. The 7-ton lorry makes X trips of 7 tons. The 14-ton makes Y trips of 14 tons. The total sand, 7X plus 14Y, equals 133. Dividing by 7, X plus 2Y equals 19. The total cost, 3,000X plus 4,000Y equals 47,000. Dividing by 1,000, 3x plus 4y equals 47. Part B, by matrix method. As a matrix equation, 1, 2, 3, 4 times xy equals 1947. The determinant is 1 times 4 minus 2 times 3, which is minus 2. Multiply both sides by the inverse. 1 over minus 2 times the matrix 4 minus 2 minus 3, 1 times 1947. 4 times 19 minus 2 times 47 is minus 18. Minus 3 times 19 plus 47 is minus 10. 1 over minus 2 of that gives x equals 9, y equals 5. Part C. The transporter is paid 500 shillings per tonne for 133 tonnes. That's 66,500. The cost was 47,000. So the profit is 66,500 minus 47,000, which is 19,500 shillings. Well done. That's question 20 complete.